Have you ever felt like your world is crumbling around you? Like every step forward leads to 2 steps back? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the raw, unfiltered reality of life's toughest moments and discover the hidden strength within you. Get ready for a journey of self-discovery and resilience. We'll dive deep into practical strategies to help you navigate life's storms, rebuild your confidence, and emerge stronger than ever. From rock bottom to rising phoenix, this video is your roadmap to reclaiming your life. Are you tired of feeling stuck, overwhelmed by circumstances beyond your control, or simply yearning for a glimmer of hope? Then this video is for you. Let's unlock the power of courage together and transform your darkest days into stepping stones towards a brighter future. Life has a way of throwing curveballs when we least expect them. One moment, you're cruising along, feeling invincible, and the next, you're free-falling into an abyss of uncertainty. It's a jarring transition that leaves you gasping for air, desperately searching for solid ground beneath your feet. But what exactly happens when our lives begin to unravel? Imagine waking up one day to find your carefully constructed reality shattered like a broken mirror. The job you thought was secure vanishes in the blink of an eye, leaving you adrift in a sea of financial insecurity. Relationships that once felt unbreakable now strain under the weight of unspoken tensions and misunderstandings. Your health, once taken for granted, suddenly becomes a fragile commodity, forcing you to confront your own mortality. As the dominoes of your life topple one by one, a suffocating sense of helplessness settles in. You might find yourself lying awake at night, replaying every misstep and wondering where it all went wrong. The constant barrage of negative thoughts becomes a toxic soundtrack, eroding your self-esteem and clouding your judgment. It's as if you're trapped in a maze of your own making, each turn leading to another dead end. But here's the truth that often eludes us in these dark moments. Breakdowns are not the end of the story. They're merely a chapter, albeit a painful one, in the grand narrative of your life. Just as a forest fire clears the way for new growth, sometimes our lives need to be stripped bare for us to discover our true resilience and potential. In the midst of chaos, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. Your mind becomes a battlefield, with fear and doubt waging war against hope and determination. You might catch yourself wondering if you'll ever feel normal again, if happiness is nothing more than a distant memory. These thoughts are not just common, they're a natural response to the upheaval you're experiencing. However, it's crucial to remember that feelings, no matter how intense, are not facts. The overwhelming emotions that accompany a life falling apart can distort your perception, making mountains out of molehills and turning temporary setbacks into seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Recognizing this distortion is the first step towards regaining control of your narrative. As we delve deeper into this journey, we'll explore the hidden opportunities that lie within crisis. Yes, you read that right. Opportunities. While it may seem counterintuitive, some of life's greatest breakthroughs often emerge from its deepest trenches. The key is learning to shift your perspective, to see beyond the immediate pain and confusion to the potential for growth and transformation. Think back to a time in your past when you faced a significant challenge. Remember the fear, the uncertainty, the doubts that plagued you then? Now, reflect on how you overcame that obstacle. Chances are, you emerged from that experience stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. The same principle applies to your current situation, no matter how dire it may seem. In the chapters that follow, we'll arm you with practical tools and mindset shifts to navigate this turbulent period. From developing emotional resilience to reframing negative thought patterns, you'll discover a wealth of strategies to not just survive, but thrive in the face of adversity. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? When life starts spiraling out of control, our first instinct is often to run, to hide, to do anything but confront the harsh truth of our situation. But true courage begins with facing reality head-on. no matter how daunting it may seem. It's about looking in the mirror and acknowledging both your strengths and your vulnerabilities without judgment or self-condemnation. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a precipice, the winds of change whipping around you. Every fiber of your being screams to retreat to safer ground, to the comfort of denial and wishful thinking. Yet, it's precisely at this moment that you must summon the courage to take a step forward, to peer into the abyss of your challenges and see them for what they truly are. This act of courage isn't about bravado or recklessness. It's a quiet, internal strength that allows you to sit with discomfort, to embrace uncertainty, and to admit when you need help. It's the willingness to say, yes, my life is falling apart, and I'm scared, but I'm ready to do whatever it takes to rebuild. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, you'll likely encounter parts of yourself that you've long ignored or suppressed. Old wounds may resurface, demanding attention and healing. Limiting beliefs that have held you back for years might suddenly come into sharp focus, challenging you to question their validity. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear. It's the decision to act in spite of it. Each time you choose to face your reality rather than run from it, you're building emotional muscle. Like a bodybuilder in the gym, every rep, every moment of discomfort is shaping you into a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. One powerful exercise in facing reality is to conduct a brutal honesty inventory. Take a piece of paper and draw a line down the middle. On one side, list all the aspects of your life that are currently challenging or falling apart. On the other side, write down the factors that contributed to each situation, including your own actions or inactions. This exercise isn't about blame or self-flagellation. It's about taking ownership of your life and recognizing where you have the power to make changes. By identifying the root causes of your current struggles, you're already taking the first step towards solving them. It's a process that requires both courage and compassion. Courage to look unflinchingly at your life, and compassion to forgive yourself for past mistakes. As you cultivate the courage to face reality, you may find that some relationships in your life shift or fade away. Not everyone will understand or support your journey of self-discovery and growth. That's okay. True courage sometimes means letting go of people, situations, or beliefs that no longer serve your highest good, even if it feels uncomfortable or lonely at first. In a world that often equates strength with stoicism, embracing vulnerability might seem counterintuitive. Yet, it's in our most vulnerable moments that we often find our greatest source of power and connection. Vulnerability isn't weakness. It's the courage to be authentically yourself, flaws and all, in a world that's constantly pushing for perfection. Imagine peeling back the layers of armor you've built around your heart, allowing others to see the raw, unfiltered version of yourself. It's terrifying, isn't it? The fear of judgment, rejection, or ridicule can be paralyzing. But what if, in that moment of exposure, you found not criticism, but compassion, not isolation, but connection? When life is falling apart, it's tempting to retreat into a shell, to present a facade of having it all together to the outside world. But this pretense comes at a high cost. It isolates you from potential support systems and denies you the healing power of genuine human connection. By embracing vulnerability, you open yourself up to the empathy and support of others who may have walked similar paths. Think of vulnerability as a bridge, a way to connect your inner world with the external reality. It allows you to communicate your needs, fears, and hopes in a way that invites understanding and support. When you're vulnerable, you give others permission to do the same, creating a ripple effect of authenticity and genuine connection in your relationships. But vulnerability isn't just about sharing your struggles with others. It's also about being honest with yourself. It's having the courage to sit with uncomfortable emotions instead of numbing them with distractions. It's acknowledging your mistakes and weaknesses without letting them define you. It's recognizing that asking for help isn't a sign of weakness. but a testament to your strength and self-awareness. As you navigate through this challenging period, challenge yourself to practice vulnerability in small ways. Maybe it's reaching out to a friend and admitting you're struggling. Perhaps it's allowing yourself to cry without judgment. Or it could be opening up to a therapist about fears you've never voiced before. Each act of vulnerability is a step towards healing and growth. Remember, vulnerability is not about oversharing or trauma dumping. It's about discerning who has earned the right to hear your story and choosing to open up in a way that feels safe and authentic to you. It's a delicate balance between honesty and boundaries, between openness and self-protection. As you embrace vulnerability, you may be surprised to discover a newfound sense of freedom. The energy you once spent maintaining a perfect facade can now be redirected towards genuine growth and connection. You may find that your relationships deepen, your self-awareness increases, and your capacity for empathy expands. As your life seems to crumble around you, it's easy to fall into a narrative of victimhood and despair. But what if you could rewrite your story, not as a tragedy, but as an epic tale of resilience and triumph? The power to reshape your narrative lies within you, and it starts with a simple yet profound shift in perspective. Consider for a moment that you are not just the protagonist in your life story, but also its author. With each thought, each decision, each action, you're penning the next chapter. The plot twists and challenges you face aren't roadblocks, but rather opportunities for character development. How will your hero, you, rise to meet these obstacles? Reframing isn't about denying the reality of your situation or forcing toxic positivity. It's about finding alternative interpretations that empower rather than cripple you. For instance, instead of viewing a job loss as the end of your career, could you see it as an opportunity to explore a passion you've long ignored? Could a relationship breakdown be the universe's way of creating space for healthier connections in your life? This shift in perspective requires practice and persistence. Start by catching yourself in moments of negative self-talk. When you hear that inner critic spinning tales of doom and gloom, pause. Take a deep breath. Then ask yourself, is this the only way to interpret this situation? What would a more empowering narrative look like? As you begin to reframe your experiences, pay attention to the language you use, both internally and when speaking to others. Words have power. They shape our reality and influence our emotions. Instead of saying, "I'm failing," try, "I'm learning." Replace, "I can't handle this," with, "This is challenging, but I'm growing stronger." These subtle shifts in language can dramatically alter your emotional state and your approach to challenges. Remember, reframing isn't about ignoring the pain or difficulties you're facing. It's about acknowledging them while simultaneously seeking the lessons, growth opportunities, and hidden blessings within them. It's about cultivating a mindset of curiosity and openness, even in the face of adversity. One powerful reframing technique is to imagine yourself 10 years in the future, looking back on this challenging period. What wisdom would your future self impart? How might they view the struggles you're currently facing? Often, this perspective can help us see the temporary nature of our current difficulties and the potential for long-term growth. As you practice reframing, you may find that your resilience grows. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable begin to look like stepping stones. The story of your life transforms from a tale of victimhood to one of heroic perseverance. You become not just the protagonist of your story, but its hero, battle-scarred perhaps, but undefeated. As we reach the conclusion of our journey together, it's time to look ahead and envision the phoenix you're becoming. The path of courage you've embarked upon isn't easy, but it's infinitely rewarding. Remember, the fact that you're here, seeking growth and transformation, is already a testament to your inner strength. Your life falling apart isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new, more authentic chapter. By facing reality with courage, embracing vulnerability, and reframing your narrative, you've laid the foundation for a remarkable comeback. But the journey doesn't end here. In many ways, it's just beginning. Moving forward, commit to treating yourself with the same compassion and understanding you'd offer a dear friend. Celebrate small victories, for they are the building blocks of major transformations. Allow yourself to stumble and fall, knowing that each setback is an opportunity to rise stronger. Remember that healing and growth aren't linear processes. There will be days when you feel invincible, and others when you question everything. Both are part of the journey. The key is to keep moving forward, one step at a time, even when the path ahead seems unclear. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who see your potential even when you can't. Seek out mentors, join support groups, or consider professional help if needed. There's no shame in leaning on others as you rebuild your life. In fact, it's a sign of strength and self-awareness. As you continue on this path, stay curious about yourself and the world around you. Let go of rigid expectations and remain open to unexpected opportunities. Sometimes, our greatest triumphs emerge from the ashes of what we thought were our biggest failures. Finally, never forget the resilience you've discovered within yourself during this challenging time. You are stronger than you know, more capable than you believe, and infinitely more valuable than any circumstance might have led you to believe. Your life isn't falling apart, it's falling into place. So, step into your power, embrace your journey, and remember, the most beautiful stories often begin with, "Once upon a time, everything fell apart, and then I discovered who I truly am." Your greatest chapter is yet to be written, and the pen is in your hands. As you close this video, take a moment to reflect on the courage you've shown just by being here, seeking growth in the face of adversity. You're not just surviving, you're preparing to thrive. So go forth with confidence, knowing that you have the strength within you to face whatever challenges lie ahead. Your journey of transformation has only just begun.